hi Ron. Nice to see you here.
Hello.
What are you doing here?
I'm watching some watches and just chilling now. Yes, how can I help you?
Oh, I recently saw the Trump release a lot of news in the market. The market fluctuates up and down. Actually, what are the stocks that you are watching?
Alright, so the market has been pretty tough. One day the news is bad, the next day the news is good. So one day the stock gap down, the next day the stock reverse up again. So it's like whipping up and down the range there. But the last 2 days the market has been very buoyant. It trended all the way up and there's a lot of good factors coming that is supporting the market. So there's only 3 stocks I'm watching right now. These 3 stocks are the stocks that I think it allows you to trade. Alright? The other stocks, all the penny stocks, all the mid caps, I don't think you even want to take a look at it at the moment because it's not going to move much. Alright? So number 1, come here man. Number 1 of the stocks I'm watching is called DBS. Alright? So DBS is a stock that is very market driven news stock. Meaning to say that when the market goes up, it goes up. When the market comes down, it comes down. So look at this chart. Look at this DBS 5-day chart. So DBS has already been trading for some time. The stock gap up this morning and it came all the way down. So for this stock, I would look to buy around here again, 24.8, 24.48, 24.54, around this region. I will look for some signals, some bullish signals to look to long again. Alright. The next stock that I want to share with you guys is called CapitaLand. Alright. So CapitaLand has been a very resilient stock. Can you see? It gapped down, it came down, and it reversed all the way up. And even though when the market is coming down, it's still going up. So this is one of the property stock I think all of you need to take notice of. Alright, CapitaLand. Okay. And the last stock I want to show you guys is SEMR. Okay guys, this company called SEMR recently won a $400 million contract. But can you see the stock is not moving that much? Look at this. Can you see the stock is not moving that much? It's very weak at the moment. But who knows, with the next 3-4 months, it might just turn green again. But can you see the stock has been coming down? Every time the stock ran, it break down. Every time the stock ran, it break down. Every time the stock ran, it break down again. So it's telling you this stock is very weak. So how is SEMR going to move? It requires a catalyst, right? It requires a catalyst. So I think if we see some volume coming in from SEMR, if you see some top volume movement where the stock is trying to break above $1.20 to $1.22 about there, start watching this stock again. But then this stock again is the third in my list. The first 2 stocks, CapitaLand and DBS, is a stock that I really will watch like a hawk because this is the only 2 stocks that I'm watching now that allows you to make money. Right? So while sharing with you guys, to add more value to you guys, I just want to show you one last thing. Take a look at the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones has been really bullish. Can you see guys? The Dow Jones has been really bullish. So let it load a little bit. Alright. Wow, it's so slow. Wow, what happened? You see the Dow Jones has been really bullish. Okay. Look at the chart. You see the Dow Jones in this 15-minute chart, the Dow Jones has been trending higher and higher and higher. And the one thing about the Dow is, can you see it's touching the supply zone and it's still trying to break the supply zone. So I think the Dow presents a lot of opportunities to make money in the market. A lot of opportunities. Because when it's volatile, monies can be made very quick, but the thing is, you're going to suffer up and down, right?
Okay, thank you very much for sharing.
So before that, before I share more, and before the cameraman says thank you to me, I thought it'd be wise if I can show you some of my Dow trades. Some of the Dow trades that I did. Alright? So I'll show you some history. Can you take a look at some of the trades I did? Can you see? The Dow trades up, lost some money, make some money. Wall Street, $1,000, $600. What's this? $300, lost a $4,000, make like 900. 200. So if you can trade a Dow using City Index, you probably can find trading signals along the way in the chart to profit from this very volatile market. But guys, to all the inspiring traders, to all the traders who is wanting to join this industry, just remember this: to make money in the market, don't give up, be determined, and of course, get a good mentor, teach you a good skill, find the right stocks, find the right indices, find the right turning points, and I believe if you have all these qualities and if you sort of practice it every day, 20 minutes a day, 20 minutes a night, you can achieve what I achieve, you can achieve what my students achieve. So with this, I'll end this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Alright guys, thank you.